Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, The Glory of Ancient Indian Science in Ancient India Science. Most are aware that they had a great heritage, but few could include science in it. बहुत सारे इंडियन जानते हैं कि हमारे बहुत सारे हेरिटेज है बट कुछ ही इंक्लूड होते हैं साइंस में. This is mainly because during centuries of foreign rule, they had been led to believe that science is as important from Europe. They forget the many significant contributions to science India had made for centuries before the first European came to India. There is a proof that more than 3000 years before the birth of Christ, people of this country had much scientific knowledge. Relics of Indus Valley civilization found in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro shows that the cities were well planned with excellent water supply and drainage system. The progress they had made in agriculture, brickmaking, craft and industries are remarkable. The clothes were made of cotton. For reason yet known, the civilization decayed and was lost. The cities got buried. The golden age of science in India was formed from 4th century BC to 7th century AD, with wealth and land science in advance under the Maurya Shaka, Kusan, and Gupta emperors. There are famous universities at Nalanda, Varanasi, and Takshila. There was much exchange of scholars with neighboring and distinct land. Great contributions were made in field of mathematics, astronomy, and medical science. One of the earliest scientists was Shustra. He prepared a nose some 26 centuries ago and was a first plastic surgeon. He was an expert in removing urinary stones, treating fractures, and eye operation. He even advised his pupil to use dead bodies for practicing before surgeries. He is known as father of anesthesia also. Charak was the first physician who suggested that there were 360 bones in human body. He also described medical use about 10 lakh herbal plants. Aryabhatta from Kerala studied in University of Nalanda. He was the first to find out the earth is round and it rotates on its axis, creating day and night. The concept of zero was discovered around 5th century by a great mathematician Bhaskar. He worked on different aspects of mathematics. India was proud to their glorious scientific past. With independence in 1947, a new page was opened in the history of facilities for scientists. Research began in many fields. Indian is now a member of Nuclear Club, Space Club, the Antarctica Exploration Club. In this modern race, which much remains to be done for